Welcome to your ultimate Greece travel guide, focusing on Santorini, where we will uncover top tips and must-visit places to enhance your experience. Many travelers struggle to navigate Santorini's many attractions and find the best spots to enjoy its beauty without feeling overwhelmed. With its picturesque whitewashed houses, blue-domed churches and stunning sunsets, it's no wonder Santorini is a top destination for many travelers. But with so much to see and do, it can be difficult to know where to start. That's why we've put together this guide, packed with insider tips and must-visit places to help you make the most of your trip. From the best times to visit to the top local eats, we've got you covered. From the moment you step foot on the island, you'll be greeted with breathtaking views and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find elsewhere. But Santorini is more than just a pretty face. It's also steeped in history and culture, with ancient ruins, charming villages, and a rich winemaking tradition. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a mix of both, Santorini has something for everyone.
One of the biggest challenges of traveling to Santorini is avoiding the crowds and finding those secret spots that only the locals know about. We'll dive into some of our favorite off-the-beaten-path locations later on in this video, but for now, let's focus on some of the top tips for navigating this beautiful island. Santorini can be overwhelming, especially if you're not prepared. That's why it's essential to plan ahead, research the best times to visit, and prioritize your itinerary. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to make your trip to Santorini truly unforgettable.
Santorini is a unique destination that offers a blend of Greek charm, stunning natural beauty, and rich history. The island is famous for its picturesque whitewashed houses, blue-domed churches, and steep cliffs that plunge into the Aegean Sea. With its scenic villages, stunning beaches, and vibrant cultural scene, Santorini has something for everyone. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach, explore ancient ruins, or sample the local cuisine, Santorini is the perfect destination.
One of the top things to do in Santorini is explore its stunning beaches, each with its own unique character and charm. From the famous Red Beach to the secluded White Beach, Santorini's coastline offers a diverse range of beaches to suit every taste. We'll dive into some of our favorite beaches later on in this video, but for now, let's focus on some of the top local eats you won't want to miss. Santorini is renowned for its delicious local cuisine, which is heavily influenced by Greek and Mediterranean flavors. From traditional dishes like moussaka and souvlaki to fresh seafood and local wines, Santorini is a foodie's paradise. Be sure to try some of the local specialties, such as fava, a puree made from yellow split peas, and asertiko, a crisp white wine that pairs perfectly with seafood. When it comes to visiting Santorini, timing is everything. The best time to visit is during the shoulder season, which falls in the spring and autumn. These periods offer mild weather, fewer crowds, and lower prices, making it the perfect time to explore the island. Avoid visiting during the peak summer months when the crowds are at their largest and the prices are at their highest.
To experience Santorini like a local, you need to know the insider tips and secrets that only the locals know about. One of the top secrets is to get off the beaten path and explore some of the island's lesser-known villages and beaches.
One of the most memorable experiences you can have in Santorini is watching the sunset from the castle ruins in Pyrgos. This picturesque village offers breathtaking views of the caldera and is the perfect spot to watch the sunset with a glass of wine in hand. Another secret is to take a boat tour of the nearby island of Thracia, which offers stunning views of Santorini's coastline and is home to some of the island's most secluded beaches. If you're looking for the best views in Santorini, you need to head to the village of Oia. This picturesque village is perched on the rim of the caldera and offers breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. Be sure to get there early, as the views are even more stunning during the sunrise. Another insider tip is to take a stroll through the narrow streets of Fira, the capital of Santorini, which is home to some of the island's most charming shops and restaurants. Recap the essential tips and places discussed, reinforcing how they can make your Santorini visit unforgettable. By following our insider tips and visiting some of the island's most unique attractions, you'll be able to experience Santorini like a local and make your trip truly unforgettable. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and let us know in the comments about your favorite Santorini experiences or questions.